Signal, Barkley. This is Charlie 7. The western approach is compromised. We are pinned down to the library on 5th and West 42nd. We've got dozens of civilians here, requesting fire support to get them through to the station.
Copy, Charlie. Bravo Company is en route from the south. Link up with them and advance to the terminal. All outlying fire teams to the west of the terminus. Regroup at the public library for a controlled fallback to Central Station. Evac will start via eastbound tunnels within the hour. Time is against us, gentlemen. Barkley out.
Heads up!
Gunship incoming! Get down! Take cover!
Get some fucking fire on that thing!
Until we get the civilians out.
Fuck, they're everywhere! Get across the street! Move! Move! Cover! Cover! Get out of the building! Oh, shit! Haul ass! Move! Son of a bitch!
Good, damn it! 2 and 6, get in there
Airborne
and search for
hostiles!
survivors!
Incoming!
Clear
Someone
the
get the
airspace.
missile batteries back online! Heads up! Incoming! Incoming! Suppressing fire! Light them up!
More squid! Inbound!
Frag him!
Hoorah!
Batteries online! That's what I'm talking about!
Eyes high! Airborne squid! Cover! Cover! Take it down! Dropship down! We got one!
Charlie Actual, this is Barkley. Give me a sit rep.
This is Charlie Axel. The library's bombed out. Heavy civilian casualties. We're en route to link up with Bravo.
Understood. Sweep for survivors and get back here ASAP. Watch ticking, gentlemen.
Roger that.
All units, we're pushing through into the park. Let's go! Let's go!
Push through to the park! Move! Move! Ah, fuck! Incoming gunshots!
Go! Go!
Evacuation from the terminal will begin in 30 minutes. The trains will not wait. This is our last shot, gentlemen.
Over here! We need covering fire! They're coming over the ridge! Fire! Fire! Here they come! Take cover!
Incoming dropship!
Open fire!
Get to cover! Move! Move!
Son of a bitch! Shit! Take cover! Light them up!
Okay, Bravo convoy's waiting for us. We link up on West 42nd Street. The convoy's ready to roll. Secure the area. We gotta get the civilians out.
Vehicles, let's go, let's go! Keep your heads down and keep moving! Go! Come on, people! Move!
Airborne hostiles! Incoming!
Split dropship incoming! Light her up!
Fire! Fire!
Hoorah! Incoming! Hold on!
Convoy's ready. Just say the word. Intersection's clear. Alcatraz, get the gates open.
Get the gates open! We're ready to go!
Let's go! We're ready to roll! Let's go! Colonel Martin, this is Bravo Actual. We are inbound from the west with Charlie Company in tow. ETA 5 mics.
Copy, Bravo. Get the civilians to the eastbound tunnels, then fall in with Echo Company for perimeter defense.
Roger that. Bravo out.
Gentlemen, we will consolidate defense of the terminus at all above-ground entry points and mine the underground approaches at a safe distance from the main structure. I want civilians and wounded escorted to the lower levels immediately, pending evacuation. And why am I still being shelled from the western approach? I ordered those mortars taken out half an hour ago. I want that line of fire blocked. Echo 15, get it done!
Charlie 6, this is Echo 7. Phase 1 evac started. What's your ETA? Copy, Charlie 6. Be advised, we have enemy activity on the western approach.
Understood. All right, let's move!
Target down.
Ceasefire! Ceasefire! Speeder's waiting for you out front. We'll hold here. Alcatraz, right? Staff Sergeant Rayner. Man, we could use your help here! Demolition squad rigged the Onyx building at the end of the street. Incoming fire! We're gonna bring it down and block the switch water fire. But the safety breakers are tripped. shoot him by mistake, okay?
That's it. Green on 1. 2 more. Green on 2. 1 more to go. Come on, man. That's it. Green across. Get the hell out of there, man. Heads up, Alcatraz! We've got Squid in the building! Get out of there! I got a bail! Come on, you motherfucker!
Torres, you're clear! Drop that son of a bitch!
Ah! They're all over me! Can't get it shut up!
Torres is down! Repeat, Torres is down! Somebody get the detonator!
That's it! Alcatraz, get back here! We'll cover you! Go, man, go!
Return to the terminal.
Incoming fire! Taking fire! All clear!
Take cover! Get off the bridge! Move! Move!
fire teams. Evacuation will begin from the lower level platforms immediately. Medical teams, report there right away. Leave your equipment where it is, bring only the living with you. Bravo Company to assist. I want armed escort detailed for each train. Alpha and Echo Companies, you will hold the upper levels and station perimeter until primary evacuation is complete. Smooth and fast, gentlemen. We leave no one behind.
Stay where you are! Lower your weapon! Identify yourself!
Stand down! Stand down! He's a Marine. Dr. Gould says it's Alcatraz.
Gould? That goddamn flake. What's he know?
Stand down. Let him through. Jesus. There really a man in there? Buddy, you don't look so good. The hell happened to you? Colonel Barkley's waiting for you. This way.
You let me in! You let me in with her!
Hold still, please, sir.
How to handle myself. This goes down, you know you're gonna need every man you can get behind the trigger.
Can't do that, pal. You guys just got reclassified. We're supposed to disarm you on sight.
Christ, I used to be one of you. 9 years in, U.S. Army, just like you.
I'm a Marine, and whatever you were, you went private. Privileges are canceled.
I appreciate the help you've given us here, but this is a military operation. You are a civilian, and this city is under
martial law. Yes, I can see how well that's
Good
going
to see
for
you made it,
You're
man.
not listening to me, Colonel. We have to... Alcatraz! You made it!
Good to have you aboard, Marine. My men speak highly of you. Shit, most of them are downright scared of you.
He's not some grunt you could just send to the front line.
He's under my command now. We need all the manpower we can get to hold this place until the evacuation is
Colonel?
complete. Dr. Gould, thank you for your time. Now I have you slated for evac on the trains along with the other civilians. That's the best I can do for you right now.
Colonel, you're missing the point. Jack Hargreave has the answers to all this. We need to mount an immediate raid on Roosevelt Island.
Hargreave's dead by now. My priority is the evacuation.
Wait a second! Let go of me!
I'm sorry, Dr. Gould. We don't have time for this. Chino, get him to the trains.
Sir. Come on, Doc. We gotta go.
Alcatraz, you're with me. Your friend Gould there showed up saying he escaped from Tara Strickland in the chaos. Bullshit. Tara Strickland was a decorated Navy SEAL before she went off the rails. I gotta figure she cut him loose. But why would she do something like that? down there could be my family. And if it boils down here like it did at Lingshan...
God damn it. I swear nothing works in this place.
I was at Lingshan. I saw Strickland die. When Tara heard, she just cracked. Drink, drugs, dishonorable discharge. Her father must be turning in his grave. And now she shows up working private for Hargreave? Martinez! What is it?
They're breaching the main hall, sir!
No more time. Martinez, get down on the platforms and tell Dickerson to get the first train rolling out. Our clock just stopped.
Sir!
Stations. Main hall. Get up there and buy the speakers.
She's right here! Let's go, man! Hurry! My leg!
This is Barkley. To all remaining Marines in Midtown, secondary evacuation is now relocated to Times Square, where we will airlift with heavy armored VTOL transports. The Manhattan no-fly containment has been lifted for this operation. The Air Force will not shoot us down, but we have a limited window, gentlemen. Get to Times Square however you can. The aircraft will not wait. Perimeter defense will hold for 15, repeat, 15 minutes. After that, you are on your own. All units, Rally Point is under attack. The Ceph are breaching from 42nd and Broadway. Air evac is ongoing, but it's gonna take time.
Alcatraz, the squid are breaking through! This way! Let's go!
Defend aircraft with that site. Regroup with Marines at Times Square.
Alcatraz, I need you to keep the Ceph on your side of the wall. Evac's ongoing, but it's gonna take time. We got busloads of civilians and wounded, the whole 9 yards. The Ceph get into the middle of that, it's gonna be a massacre. Buy me some time, Marine.
Another wave! Incoming!
Cyclops 1, dusting off. We're out of here. This is Cyclops 3. We sustained some heavy damage. Can't hang around here long.
Understood, Cyclops 3. Clear the land. We're hopeful.
Nano
fire, Marines! We're almost there!
Hold back the self-attack. Nanovision enabled. Engaged. Nanovision enabled.
Alcatraz, you know what to do. Buy us some time. All right, Alcatraz, fall back. Fall back to the gate.
Let's go, people! We're out of here.
Evacuate with Colonel Barclay.
Come on through, son. They're out of here. Let's go.
Cyclops 4 on approach. How many more you got down there, sir?
Cyclops 4, you'll be the last. Gonna be cramped, but we'll get everyone out this time.
Roger that.
Jesus!
What in hell?
Colonel Barkley, I really must advise you against that.
Who the hell are you?
Jack Hargreave. Colonel, there really isn't...
This is a military channel!
...time for introductions. You're looking at an area denial bioweapon beyond your wildest dreams. You and all your men will be dead in the next minute and a half unless Alcatraz follows my instructions to the letter.
Cyclops 4, hold off. Return to operational height.
Roger that.
Thank you, Colonel. Now, Alcatraz. The spear is primed for spore dispersal, but the system can be compromised. You'll need to climb it as you did the one in the hive.
Sabotage the alien spear.
The spore blast is imminent. I estimate 20 seconds. You must complete the sequence now. All right. Hold on there just a moment, son. If we built this suit anywhere near as well as I think we did...
Cyclops 4! Get down and get us loaded!
Copy. We're coming down.
The spear, Alcatraz. Watch the spear.
Still doing in this city? You were told to evacuate!
You think we didn't try? I told you, they swarmed us. Derailed the whole fucking train not halfway to Harlem. Now would you listen to me? We have to go to the prison. It's the only hope. If there are any answers, Hargreave will have them. You have to send Alcatraz in